I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious chili beans without any meat. We'll focus on creating a deeply flavorful and satisfying dish using plant-based ingredients. This recipe proves that you don't need meat to enjoy a hearty bowl of chili. We'll combine different types of beans, rich tomatoes, and a carefully selected blend of spices to achieve a truly comforting meal. The foundation of any great chili is its flavor base. We begin by sautéing aromatics like 1 large onion, 2 bell peppers, and 4 cloves of minced garlic until they are wonderfully fragrant and tender. Next, we stir in our key spices, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, allowing them to bloom. Then, deglaze the pot with about 1/2 cup of vegetable broth. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Add 2 large 28-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes and 1 small 6-ounce can of tomato paste to the pot. Incorporate 3 15-ounce cans of your favorite beans, like kidney, pinto, and black beans, ensuring they are rinsed and drained. Let this delicious mixture simmer gently for at least 1 hour, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasonings. You might want to add a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, or even a touch of maple syrup for balance. For a delightful finish, garnish your chili with fresh cilantro, creamy diced avocado, or a dollop of vegan sour cream. Serve this hearty chili hot alongside warm cornbread or crunchy tortilla chips for an incredibly satisfying and complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.